Hello and welcome to this week's Tweak of the Week. My name is Alice Hart-Davis and I have come to the clinic of Dr. Johnny D'Souza in Marylebone to try a body sculpting treatment called StimSure. Now this uses high intensity electro-magnetic energy to build muscle. You can have it done all over, but I'm having it done just on my stomach. So come along with me and we'll see how it goes. So, Dr. Johnny, tell me about this treatment. It's a StimSure and it's a body sculpting treatment, is that right?
It's a muscle tightening treatment. It's an incredible treatment for when you achieve that ideal weight or you have managed to kind of shift that pockets of fat that you have for you to create the muscle toning that you want. So it really helps to finalizing the sculpting of the body because it creates the muscle tone that, especially in the core, that will give that nice definition.
And what is the technology that's being used to do this? Because this is from Cynosure, which is usually known for their lasers. But
yes.
This is a different kind of technology, isn't it?
Cynosure has worked with people from the Olympics Committee to use the technology that's already used by them and is allowed to be used in sports people to build muscle after injury. So what they're using is electromagnetic energy. So the device creates a field of energy that reaches the muscle and it stimulates the muscle so it contracts.
It's interesting because often people think Tweakments are very kind of fluffy things and maybe they'll work, maybe they're not. But if this has come from a technology that's being used at Olympic level on athletes, I mean, it definitely works.
It has been used for a number of different countries in their athletes and with great results. So it's not something that it's like, oh, let's try.
So this is proven.
It's a proven treatment.
Okay, and now they're applying it to body firming.
So we're just extending that, similar to other treatments that we have, like Botox. They started as a medical treatment and then moved to. So it's exactly the same thing. So this is a medical treatment that is now being used in the aesthetics field.
Okay, and it can be used on different parts of the body, presumably, not just the stomach.
Yes, the main areas that we're using is to build abdomen, the back, so the core. We used on legs, arms, calves, pretty much
arms and calves.
Yes.
Wow. So you could tackle bingo wings and
yes.
Very
so you
interesting.
build the muscle and you build that definition in the arms. Like let's say someone lost weight, did the already like the body tightening, the muscle, the skin tightening treatments, but the muscle is still not strong enough. So that gives that nice definition, that nice contour. So our patients here, what we see is that there is not only a nicer definition, but there is muscle growth as well. So you have a nice, firmer and much more defined shape of the muscle.
So that must be really useful for people who aren't in the habit of going to the gym and building those muscles.
It's interesting because sometimes we kind of let our weight change or fluctuate. When you decide to take action, it seems quite a huge amount of determination. And this is just to help with that. So it will help you build the muscles as well. The interesting thing is that in 20 minutes of treatment, you will have 24,000 muscle contractions.
Oh, that sounds like it might be quite painful.
Absolutely not painful at all, because the energy, electromagnetic energy, only stimulates the motor contraction of the muscle. The sensory terminations, they don't get stimulated, so there is no pain. The sensation that you have during the treatment is that your body is doing things that your brain is not telling them to do, but it's not painful at all.
Can you give people a six-pack with this?
We have someone that we recently treated, and we have the pictures for that, that got an amazing definition. It was already in shape, it was already training, but it wanted that additional, and you get it.
And within the space of how many sessions would you need for that?
We need normally 4 weeks of treatment.
Yeah.
So and then two treatments per week.
Okay.
So you can do 3 weeks as well with good results, but we normally recommend.
Okay,
4
great. Well,
weeks.
we'll see how it goes on my tummy.
Yeah.
We'll see what sort of
You will be impressed.
results.
You will be impressed.
I hope so. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Feel at the beginning, this is the program that stimulates both types of muscles.
Okay.
You will feel
There's
like
something.
little twitching.
Yeah. Can you use this on people's bottoms as well?
Yes, so
Yeah,
if
okay.
you're talking legs, shoulders, arms.
Okay.
So the first part of the treatment is a warm-up. It feels like it's contracting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Can you feel it here in your groin?
No. I can only. I just feel this overwhelming tapping
Yes.
feeling.
So
Is that as a distraction from the other
It's a
contractions?
warm-up.
It's a warm-up.
So it
Okay.
uses a little bit of head to
Okay.
put the muscle into twitching mode.
Yeah.
So they're twitching. We're
Okay.
getting ready.
Here with the StimSure, we've got Ira, who is the master practitioner when it comes to getting the most out of these machines. And
Now we can feel the first contraction.
okay, so contractions kicking in. That's fine. That's quite mild. That's really interesting. I can feel it coming up here and going down as well.
Can you feel it evenly? Because I feel your whole abdomen contracting.
Yeah, it feels pretty even. Yeah, it's like having your tummy taken over by an alien. It's suddenly this bit
This
comes
is
up
something
and
you
then
can't control, definitely.
okay, so I've just got to relax and go with it.
What helps when we get to this uncomfortable moment when your muscle contracting, what you can do is to tight your muscle.
It's manageable. I mean, it's really strange, this kind of feeling as it ripples its way across. But because you were saying some people found it was helpful for incontinence.
Yes.
Just by working on the core.
Yes, we had
It affects the pelvic floor as well.
Yes.
Oh.
We had a story of the patient that we
Yeah.
had she had one treatment of the
Yeah.
StimSure, and she saw the results straight away after the
Goodness.
treatment.
Okay.
So we had the treatment over a month ago,
Yeah.
and she's still
Finding it works.
finding it works. So
Wow.
how are we doing?
This is fine. Yeah, this is absolutely fine.
Should we increase a little
Yeah,
bit?
let's increase.
So you can see this contraction. So this is kind of titanic contraction. This is something that your body is not capable to create.
Okay. What kind of contraction?
Titanic. We don't engage any nerve system into this, so
Okay.
your brain doesn't know what's going on.
That's about right. That's about right.
Only.
Does it improve the lymphatics, like immediately?
It
Because
does.
it feels less tight.
It does.
The fat on it.
It does a little
Yeah.
bit. It does improve the microcirculation because obviously you do stimulate with the muscles. You
Sure.
do stimulate the circulation.
Okay.
So you will have improvement with It does give a little bit of lymphatic drainage.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see.
So that was StimSure, and a really interesting treatment. I mean, very easy to tolerate, and I mean, I'm not seeing any difference in my stomach yet because you need 4 or 6 of these treatments to make an actual difference. So I will carry on and see what it will do. But I hope you enjoyed watching that and got an idea of what this technology is and how it can work. And I'll see you on another Tweak of the Week. Okay, so 6 sessions later, the results are brilliant. The machine seems to have knitted my lower abs in properly with the upper ones, so they work much better as a whole, and they're super strong. I can roll smoothly up and down through sit-ups, and my balance is better, even in really challenging yoga poses. So I have to say, I'm really impressed.